Water. Source of life. And for your business, a resource for quality beverages. But when it comes to protecting and satisfying your customers, are your water filters doing the job? Is your restaurant equipment jeopardized from filters that don't meet today's demands? Are your soft drinks and hot beverages disappointing in taste from common chemicals like chloramine and other common additives in municipal water supplies? Or worse, are you exposing your customers to harmful diseases or pollutants increasingly passed on through typical community water treatment? As all too frequent news reports show, the dangers are there. Volatile organic compounds in our community water systems from solvents and petroleum runoff, or tiny but deadly waterborne parasites like Cryptosporidium and Giardia. Yet there is one family of water filter systems that offers the protection you and your customers need today. Selecto water filters, with technology so unique and manufacturing so consistent that it leaves the more than 500 other water filter brands behind in the dust. High flow and the highest capacity, manufactured and tested to standards so strict, no other competing filter manufacturer can come close. Backed by the most sophisticated research, quality control, product integrity, and proven results well beyond the specific standards set by the National Sanitation Foundation. Water filtration systems so advanced and effective, taste tests show over and over again the resulting filtered water is equal to or better than the world's finest bottled spring waters and at a much lower cost per gallon. Selecto Scientific, a leading manufacturer and developer of separation and filtration media and systems for the food service industry, has made food safety and taste a top priority since the 1980s. Award-winning and innovative water filter systems like the MF620C and NanoSmart have established Selecto as a trailblazer in the industry. Selecto's proprietary cartridge technology has become a de facto standard in functional performance. Recognized for its vision of the future in filtration technology, Selecto has been an early innovator in nanotechnology. Using novel combinations of atoms or molecules, nanotechnology promises to be the vehicle for incredible breakthroughs, from pharmaceuticals to organic chemistry to engineering. Other Selecto innovations include ceramic hybrid materials that destroy bacteria in microseconds, and ceramic technology to improve carbonation. Selecto's Extend takes advantage of the latest discoveries in the biotech industry and life sciences discoveries to remove impurities from cooking oil. Restaurant responses have ranged from manager enthusiasm over the dramatic cost savings to customer delight over improved taste and food safety. Selecto is the only food service manufacturer that consistently tests for microorganism filtration to the standards found in the pharmaceutical and biotech industry. Clients like PepsiCo, the Coca-Cola Company, Chick-fil-A, KFC, and scores of other key restaurants rely on Selecto filters for millions of gallons of cold and hot beverages every day. International customers have come to rely on Selecto excellence in dealing with a host of unique water challenges around the globe, from Mexico to Marrakesh to Manila. The source of this success lies in a visionary approach to water filtering. Nurtured and guided in state-of-the-art laboratories by renowned experts in the fields of food service chemistry and biology, and highly responsive to the incredible challenges of our local water supplies, leading to systems and filters designed and manufactured to to yield unsurpassed capacities in the most demanding situations. Anybody can make claims, and many water filters are backed by just words. At Selecto, we believe the proof is in results. When we claim 100,000-gallon capacity for a water filter, we go to great lengths to guarantee this result. Painstaking development, lengthy laboratory trials, and ongoing field tests. So when we heard a couple of leading water filter competitors were overstating their products, we naturally put them to the test. Many results simply point to an inappropriate technology or cheap materials that don't perform. Here, for example, water penetration in a leading competitor's latest and greatest filter is visibly inefficient. Quite different on a Selecto filter. Water readily absorbs, filtration is efficient, and safety is assured. One reason for the quality of Selecto filters is superior manufacturing, including the first fully computer-controlled processing system in the industry. This type of control approach records every filter element parameter to a centralized processor for total quality control in the molding process. An example of our ingredient excellence is this highly refined coconut carbon processed to the most exacting standards. And our proven ceramic matrix binding technology provides the most efficient and effective resource for filtration excellence. Competitor filter products, however, include carbon block filters made by the extrusion process. Although this less expensive approach may be good for making sausages, extrusion fails dramatically when it comes to water filtration. Extrusion leaves gaps and irregularities in the carbon block, which lowers its efficiency and virtually ensures inconsistency from one filter to the next. When we claim a filter can make 20,000 gallons of water as good as bottled spring water, we have lots of proof. In numerous blind tests, we actually compared water from a Selecto filter after 20,000 gallons were passed through. And 2-to-1, focus groups chose the Selecto taste over both bottled water and leading competitor filtered waters made to their own specs. When we claim our filters and systems do things none of the others do, we can back that up as well. Compare Selecto filters to the leading competitors and you'll readily appreciate the differences in key areas like materials, performance guarantees, operation, and service. Our filters are unique in their ability to counter ever-present problems like toxic VOCs, chloramine, and live cysts. With more and more water supplies suffering from these problems, you can't afford to ignore Selecto's powerful solutions. And the economic numbers are just as useful to you and your business. For example, compare our filter capacities to the competition, and you'll see savings in Selecto. Because higher filter capacities means less filter changing, dramatically less compared to even our closest competitors. And that means cost efficiencies that benefit your bottom line. That's why we say that the claims we make are backed up by hard numbers and irrefutable evidence. So if your soft drinks and hot beverages disappoint in taste, or you're concerned about the frequent challenges from water quality, or exposing your customers to harmful diseases and pollutants, or you simply need to rein in costs associated with water filtration, Selecto has the solution for you.